Hello everybody. I am Mrs. S Zunjarwad, Assistant Professor of Communication Skills, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In today's session, I am going to discuss on the very important topic nouns in English grammar. Learning outcome. At the end of this session, student will be able to understand the various types of nouns and the usage in day-to-day communication. In this session, today I will discuss these two topics, definition of noun and classification of nouns. So see the introduction part. The parts of speech are the building blocks of sentences. It is impossible to write grammatically correct sentences without knowing at least some of them. Knowing all of the parts of speech can help advance your writing skills and prevent them from plateauing. Nouns play the role of other parts of speech depending on how they are used in a given sentence. It is for this reason that it becomes very imperative to find a very easy way to identify whether a word is a noun or not. In order to be able to easily identify a noun, we need to know the features of nouns and how they behave. Now let us first see the definition of noun. Nouns are the words that you use to name a person or any place or anything or any idea. So nouns. Nouns are commonly thought of as naming words and specifically as the names of people, places or things. Nouns such as John, London, computer certainly fit this description, but the class of nouns is much broader than this. Nouns also denote abstract and intangible concepts such as birth, happiness, evolution, literacy, etc. So let us discuss about the classification of nouns. Nouns form a large proportion of English vocabulary and they come in a wide variety of types. So these are some of the types of nouns. So proper noun, common noun, material noun, then abstract noun, concrete noun, countable, uncountable. So these are some of the various types of nouns. So see the description of every noun. Common noun. Common noun especially describes non-specific people, places, things or ideas. And the examples are man, city, religion, etc. The next one is proper noun. Proper noun describes specific people, places and things. And examples are Albert Einstein, London, etc. The next type is abstract noun. Abstract noun means something that you cannot perceive with your five senses. And examples are belief, love, pride, happiness, etc. Then concrete noun. Concrete nouns are something that you can perceive with your five senses. And the examples are apple, lion, eyes, flower, etc. Countable nouns. countable nouns can be counted. And the examples are pencil, pens, etc. Apple, apples. So we can make the plurals of these nouns also. Then uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We cannot count them as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And the examples are milk, music, food, water, snow, rice, etc. The next type is compound noun. So compound noun, it is made up of two or more smaller words. And the examples are textbook, then seafood, sunflower, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of things as one words. And the examples are bunch, audience, flock, group, family. The last two types are here, that singular noun. Singular noun refer to one person, place, things or idea. Plural refer to more than one, maybe person, place, things or idea. Now we will discuss these nouns comparatively. So common and proper nouns. So when we think about a common noun as a man, the proper noun is Ganesh. Then woman, the example of proper noun is Alice. City is a common noun, any city, but whenever we think Bombay as a proper noun, definitely some specific city it will come there. Then country, it is a common noun, but India is a specific or proper noun. So all these are a proper nouns. Just now whatever we have discussed about common and proper noun. So here I want to ask you a question. What is the important rule with proper noun? So take a pause, think about this question and try to give the answer. What specific thing you understood whenever you studied proper noun? So whenever we think about the proper noun, you always capitalize the first letter of proper noun. So here are some of the examples. So go through all these names. Now collective and compound nouns. So see the collective examples. Bundle, it is a group of some of the sticks. Then gang, then class, crowd, fleet, heap, library. But whenever we think about the compound noun is a combination of two words. So see the examples, toothpaste. So this is the combination of two separate words, that is tooth and paste. Then blackboard. Blackboard is a combination of two words, black and board. Swimming pool. Then output, haircut, breakfast and underground. The next type, that concrete and abstract nouns. As we can perceive the concrete nouns with five senses, abstract nouns we cannot perceive them with our senses. The same thing I have discussed here. Then countable and uncountable noun. So see some of the differences in these two, that countable nouns we can count them as a book, pen, man, spoon, etc. And we can use a and the, these articles or we can make the plural of countable nouns also. But whenever we think about the uncountable nouns, so water, coffee, air, these are some of the examples, and before these nouns we cannot use any article, or we cannot make the plurals of these types of nouns also. But we can measure them like a glass of water, a cup of coffee, like this. Then whenever we count these countable nouns, we can say how many, or we can use a few. But when we think about the uncountable nouns, we have to use a little or how much. This is the example. So see, the boys played cricket in the park. Word boys, and this is a common noun. Then David is my friend. So David is a proper noun. Dad drove the car in the shade. So shade is a concrete noun. Attitude play an important role in sports. So attitude is an abstract noun. A team of champions is not always a champion team. So in this sentence, the word team is a collective noun. The policeman directed the traffic away from the accident. So policeman, here it is used as a compound noun. So these are some of the examples of various types of nouns. So this is a reference. Go through this reference. I have used this reference to make my PPT. Thank you.